Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making cabbage instant noodles. For this we required hakka noodles 100 grams, ginger half an inch, garlic 5 cloves finely chopped, soya sauce, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, 100 grams of finely chopped cabbage, Szechuan sauce approximately 2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon corn flour dissolved in cold water, and 1 small bowl of fried noodles. So take a kadhai, add 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, add 1 teaspoon of very finely chopped ginger, saute for a second, then add 5 to 6 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Now add 100 grams of very finely chopped cabbage, mix it well and stir fry for half a minute. Now add 2 teaspoons of Szechuan sauce and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, mix it again. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce. Now add half a teaspoon of vinegar. Mix all the ingredient. Now add a little bit of salt. Always remember, every sauce has little salt, so add less salt. Now add approximately 400 ml of water because it is a soupy noodles, so we need lots of water to make soup, and let it boil. Once your soup is boiled, add 100 grams of hakka noodles and now mix it well and cover it and leave it for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, mix it again and now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of corn flour mixture, corn flour dissolved in cold water, and cook till your soup is thickened. It will take around 1 minute. Now add fried noodles to give crispness to your cabbage soupy noodle, and your cabbage soupy noodle is ready. Garnish it with fried noodles. So please try cabbage soupy noodle.